If you're experiencing reduced suction or performance, you should check for clogs. Turn the power off and remove the battery. Remove the dust canister and check the dirt tube for any obstructions. You can also press the release button to remove the nozzle base from the main body and check both openings for any trapped debris. Also, check the nozzle intake behind the brush roll for any obstructions. Be sure to properly reassemble the unit after checking for clogs.